Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to remove Google account from an Android device. If you have logged in a Google account on your Android device, you want to remove it, maybe you have created another account or maybe for whatever reason. I'll show you how you can do it easily. So first you have to open up your phone and after that you have to simply go to the settings of your mobile phone. To go to the settings of your mobile phone, you can just simply go and search for settings, or you can just simply find the settings icon. Go there, scroll down, and find the option for Google. If you couldn't find it, you can search for it, and then you will find your account. Simply click onto it, and you will see this option for remove account, and then click on remove account. Once you do it, it will just take a while in the processing, and after that, you will get logged out of that account, and then the other accounts will be remained as logged in. So that's how you will be able to log out of your Google account on your Android device. So I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.